Think you know the wild world? Get ready to put your nature knowledge to the ultimate test. Let's dive in.
Which marine mammal possesses the largest brain on Earth? A group of owls is collectively known by what name? Halfway there, Nature Ninja. Keep that brilliant mind sharp for what's next. What differentiates a frog from a toad in appearance? Which bird species is renowned for building the largest nests? What is the final stage of a butterfly's metamorphosis? Incredible! How many did you conquer? Every correct answer proves your connection to the wild. Follow now for a daily dose of brain-teasing trivia.